Hello. I'm going to share with you some of the products I recently picked up. We did a little bit of shopping. A little online, a little in-store, which I know, I never do. But it happened. Let's get into it, shall we? So let's start off with what's in my bag, yeah? So I recently shared with you a dedicated video with all the new Dior stuff. The lip balms, the blushes, you know, Dior. So I got some more. They were just in my face, you know, I couldn't help myself. So I picked up one of the Backstage Rosy Glow Sticks. This one, I actually got it in the shade 1, the pink. I'm currently wearing Rosewood. We love her. We love her a lot. Here she is. So these, well, I only tried one and I really liked it, so I grabbed another. But I really like the formula. I love, love, love the formula. It's a stick, so it's creamy, it's buildable, it gives a little bit of glow. You can set it, you cannot set it. I just love the way it looks on the skin, with makeup, without, full glam, light glam, no makeup, all the things. So I just wanted to get another one. So this is the lightest pink shade. I know. I really enjoy colors like this because it's a very light, pale, sheer pink that gives like the softest flush that looks uber natural. So I swatched it in the store and I liked the way it looked. It's giving that super pale pink vibe, and I love these tones for the real no makeup days. They wear so well and they don't even look like makeup. And I really like the formula, so I picked that up. I feel like I talked a little bit of smack in my dedicated video about these. I picked up another one, the Lip Glow Butter. This one is in the shade Lychee. This color. I know. So now I have a total of 3. I like them. I know they're overpriced lip balms, but with a charm. But I don't know, I like it. I like the formula, and I wanted this color, and it was sold out online, so I got it in store. Let me show you what this one swatches like. This one I feel is a bit more pigmented than the other 2 that I got. It's a balm, but it's like a little bit more, you know? They have a little bit of a minty scent and feel, but they don't really plump. If you want to plump, use something else. This is not for that. But I'll show you what the other colors look like beside this. Toffee, the pink, and then the lychee. That pink is called glazed pink. You see how it doesn't look like anything? This is like my lips but better kind of color, but see this, the lychee, it's like a little something. So I'm glad I picked that up. Now I'm good. Now I don't need any more. I picked up a new eyebrow product. I have been using the Sephora brand eyebrow pencil. I bought a lot during the last sale. But I was in store and I remembered how much I love this one from Hourglass. It's the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. And I got it in the shade Warm Brunette. This is the one that has, looks like this. It's really, really small. Really, really tiny. And it's going to give you those hair-like strokes. See? It's nice. Spoolie on one end, pencil on the other. I gotta draw in my brows all the time because I don't have any. I also saw that they had this. This is new. This is from Makeup by Mario. It's the SoftSculpt Blurring Bronzer. So nice, clean Makeup by Mario packaging. I got it in the shade Medium Dark. Yes. That's pretty. That's pretty. Let's see what... Oh, yes. There we go. Formula feels nice and soft. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I have wanted this for a while. It's the Makeup by Mario F4. It's the, it's a dual-ended brush. I'm not the biggest fan of dual-ended, But I don't know. Everybody makes this thing look so good. I was like, you know what? Let's try it. And you can use brushes for whatever you want. And I like the shape. It feels nice and soft. So again, this is the F4. This is synthetic, of course. This feels really soft. And I'm not the biggest fan of dual-ended, but I feel like this is going to be okay. So we got some new Makeup by Mario products. Now I did a little online Sephora and I picked up the new Prada. This is the Prada Light Glowing Powder. So they came out with 3 glowy highlighting products. This is the Prada Light Glowing Powder with micro pixel pearls. So I got the shade pink. You know I had to do it. So the packaging, it's the traditional Prada packaging, just like eyeshadows and the powder and all of that. So let's see. Ooh. Oh. It doesn't look as pink as I thought, but I mean, we'll see. We'll see. It's cute though. Ooh, nice and bright. Hello. Oh, that's nice and creamy. You can put that on the eyes, put it on the face. Let's try it. This is an OG wing gloss brush. It's very loose. This is like a limited edition one. Let's see what this looks like on the skin. I'm already wearing a glowy blush, but let's see. Ooh. Yeah, it's a vibe. That's pretty. So pick that Prada up. Then they came out with some balms. The Prada Light Glowing Lip Color. I got it in U016 Rose. That's very, very pretty. All the details, all the things. Look at that. It's just a pretty balm, okay? I know. But she's refillable. So yeah. Ooh. Okay, that's cute. Yes. Yes. Okay. I like that. It's super buttery. And that's going to be shiny. Okay. All right. We're definitely going to be doing a full face testing new makeup with a lot of these. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll have that coming up really, really soon. I picked this up. I've never seen this before. But it was like, you know when you're going to check out and they give you like those little things you might like at the bottom? I know, I don't usually fall for those. I'm like, I know better. But I love sheet masks and stuff, so I thought this was cool. This is the Sephora brand body mask. Hydrating, or hydrate and plump. So you can put it on your butt, and you can put it on your décolleté. Looks cool. So I said, why not? So we've got blackberry and cactus flower extracts. That's fun. I really like that Prada on the skin. That Prada looks good. So, I love my Adriana Nichole. I am everything eyeshadow palette. Love, 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 love this palette. Okay? Because you got some everyday one and dones down here, or add these to these fun colors, and then you have these beautiful fun colors. Love this palette to bits. I love it. Okay? This is a great, great, great palette. So she came out with a new one, and it's all shimmery special shades. So I had to grab it, and I had to support. A little sticker. I'm so excited for this. They're both called the I Am Everything palette, but the silver one, it's the shimmer edition. So this one is just all her magnificent shimmers. Ooh. Ready? Let's look at it together. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Wow. Look how pretty. This shade right here, Ethereal, this eyeshadow is so absolutely gorgeous. In the 2 palettes, the only duplicate is Ethereal, this and this. Other than that, they're all new. Ooh, let's swatch. I have to see these. Oh my gosh. So buttery. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Just look at those first 3. Yes. Look at these shadows. Oh Wow, they're so buttery and pigmented. Wow. I know, I'm an everyday girl, natural skin, but I love shadows like this because you can just lightly apply them and you don't need anything else. They look so good on the lids. Look at these colors. Okay, let's watch the rest. I'm excited. I wouldn't think that these are as wearable as they are, but they are, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Look. Oh yeah. She does have single eyeshadows as well. Oh my goodness. Look. Wow. These are beautiful. I think I have one more to swatch. Yeah. We got that green. Let's see. This is so, look at that. Wow. How beautiful is this palette? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so very, very happy to have this in my collection. Yeah, beautiful. So YSC Beauty, you know, I love that brand. They recently, or well, now they're in Sephora, which is awesome. I ordered a new lip product from them. This is the Like a Gloss Sleeping Mask. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Like a Gloss Hydrating Lip Mask. Love, love, love this. I use this every day. They came out with a variation of it in a tint. So this is the Like a Gloss Hydrating Lip Tint. Nice, simple packaging. Ooh, look at that applicator. And there is what the color looks like. Nice and juicy. A little tint, you know, I'm here for it. I'm simple like that when it comes to glosses. But you know. Oh my goodness. This is said to be a hydrating lip tint that restores like a mask, nourishes like a balm, and shines like a gloss for soft, supple looking lips with a sheer wash of color and high shine finish. Yeah, okay. I'm excited to try this out. I am in desperate need to do my nails, okay? These are so grown out. So I went on Amazon and I want to do some aura nails. And I have this idea, okay, where I'm thinking to use blooming gel, okay, and like a jelly. But we'll see how it goes. So I picked these up. I went with the MelodySusie blooming gel. I have not tried their nail products. I've only tried like their lamps and all their other brushes. I haven't tried any of their polish products, but here is what that looks like. It's pretty packaging, really pretty packaging. Look at that, it's cute, right? So blooming gel is as it sounds. It's a polish that you put down, and then when you put another product over top of it, it expands and blooms. So I have an idea. And I want to try aura nails, so that's my idea. So I'm going to try it with this. And then I have a jelly color that I'm going to try with it. So I picked this up. I have a couple of other polishes from this brand. MAYCHAO? I don't know. Packaging looks like this. It's nothing fancy. Hot pink. And again, this is like a jelly. That is bright. She is nice and bright. Okay. So I picked up those two gel polishes for my idea. We'll see. I also picked this up from Makartt. This is, what is this? It's not on the box. It's like a spray to help remove your nails. I do use the Jello Peel Off Base Coat, and it comes with its own remover. But I don't know. I just wanted to see if there's any other options out there so I don't feel like I'm tied down to just one product. So you get a couple of little orange sticks and instructions and the spray. I'm very curious to see how this goes, how this works, but you won't know until you try. So pick that up. I have some PR to share with you, and OSEA sent us their newest product, the Ocean Wave Cleanser Wash Away the Day. Nice. Oh, I'm so stoked for this. I love reusable cotton pads for makeup removal. So we've got that in there. It looks like a headband. This is my favorite cleanser from them. This I shared in my recent favorites. So they restocked me on the Ocean Cleanser. I love this. It's a really gentle cleanser. Love it to bits. And then here's the new product, the Ocean Wave Cleanser. Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover. Shake to activate. Packaging is nice and simple. Ooh, hydrating and softening facial cleanser. Gentle biphase. Ooh, look at that. Gentle biphase water light cleansing oil effectively dissolves makeup, impurities, and excess sebum. The seaweed leaves skin feeling soft, nourished, and perfectly prepped for a double cleanse or your skincare routine. Ooh, look at that. Nice bottle. Hello. And it has a little hole at the top. We're going to try this together. I'm going to do a nighttime skincare makeup removal kind of video. So yeah, we're going to try this. I cannot wait. Thank you to OSEA for sending that over. I'm so excited to try it out and share it with you. I am going to butcher this name. Hold on. How do you pronounce this? Natura Bissé, Barcelona. I hope I'm saying it. Okay, let's see what they sent over. This is beautifully packaged. Ta-da! Thank you. Oh, this looks exciting. Sheer cream. Color enhancing moisturizer for the everyday, baby. Yes. Let's. Have we heard of this brand? Where have I been? See, this is an experience, a beautiful experience. So what do we have here? Got something here. Wow. And they even gave me a special. This is what I'm talking about. Give me all of these things. I will use all of them. This packaging is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Wow. It's sealed. Okay. Ooh, texture is beautiful. Beautiful texture and consistency here. Perfect. Oh, this feels lovely. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Yeah, this is great. Thank you so much. I can't wait to share more on this with you guys. I love products like this, and I'll definitely have more research done and I'll share more with you. I am always truly grateful when I receive product. Oh, wow. Sunday Riley sent us the Wash and Towel Challenge. Hydrated, happy, perfectly clean skin. All right, so here we are. We have the Aquamarine Melt, a hydrating gel balm cleanser. All right, so we've got some makeup removers to try out. Yeah? Make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna do a video. We're gonna test these out together. I'm here for a hydrating cleanser. Yes, please, and thank you. Glossy Balm melts into a silky cleansing oil, effortlessly dissolving makeup and impurities. So it's gonna deeply hydrate for a plumped glass skin glow. Cocoa butter locks in moisture. Detoxifying smooth. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Packaging is cool too. Ooh, thank you, Sunday Riley, for sending this over. New makeup, new skincare, new goodies. Thank you so much for letting me share them with you. I cannot wait to try out and share all of these new products with you. So make sure you're subscribed. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up and stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon.